Hello, class. Today for science, we're going to continue our lesson on investigating natural resources. Yesterday, we were talking about renewable resources. Today, we're going to talk about non-renewable resources. Our target will be I can explain and identify non-renewable resources. So let's begin. So what are natural resources? Well, a resource is something that can be used for a purpose. For example, tools and materials are resources, okay? Natural resources is something that is found in nature and can be used by people. Earth's natural resources include light, air, water, plants, animals, soil, stone, minerals, and fossil fuels. People need certain natural resources to stay alive. They use others to make their lives better. So the earth has renewable and non-renewable resources. Some of these are replaced more easily than others. There will always be a supply of some resources, such as water, plants, and air. Only if we use them wisely, though. Okay. So Earth has two types of natural resources, renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources are resources that can be replaced. Plants and animals are example of renewable resources. Okay, so is oxygen and water. So resources that can be replaced are renewable. Air and water, plants and animals, and soil are all renewable resources. So then we have solar and wind energy. These are also renewable resources. Solar energy is a renewable energy. Wind is another one. And neither one, solar or wind energy, create pollution. So that's good. Now we're up to non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources. All minerals are non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are resources that exist in limited amounts or are used faster than they can be replaced in nature. People use minerals and other non-renewable resources to make products and to provide energy. We're going to talk about fossil fuels. Oil is the common name for petroleum. Oil, coal, and natural gas are non-renewable resources. They are fuels, which means that they are burned to provide energy. Oil is also used to make various products, including gasoline. Coal, oil, and natural gas are called fossil fuels because they were made from organisms that lived long ago. After the organisms died, their remains and the unused energy stored in them became buried under layers of sediment. Over millions of years, pressure, heat, and decaying action changed the remain into coal, oil, and natural gas. These are examples. This is an oil and gas drilling platform. And then this is another one. And this is a land one, I think. So then you have ores. Mineral resources are often found in ores. An ore is a rock that is rich in valuable minerals. Fossil fuels and ores are removed from below Earth's surface, but ores are removed from the minerals they contain, not for burning as fuel. People use mineral resources in different ways. For example, iron ore contains the metal iron. Iron is mixed with other materials to make steel. Steel is used to make many products, from skyscrapers to paper clips. Preserving non-renewable resources. How resources can last longer. People use natural resources to make products they use in their daily lives. As people use more and more resources, fewer non-renewable resources will be available in the future. Conservation means using resources as little as possible and not wasting them. You can reduce unnecessary resource in many ways. For example, to travel short distances, you can walk or ride a bike. You could drink from a reusable container instead of buying bottled water and throwing the bottle away. Recycling is saving or using materials again instead of treating them as waste. Some products and materials are easier to recycle than others. Glass, paper, plastic, and aluminum and other metals are just a few resources that can choose to be recycled. Okay, guys. So what I like you guys to do is watch the video I have for you on non-renewable resources. I think you guys are gonna like this guy. He's a funny one. And then take the quiz afterwards. I hope you guys enjoy the video.